Just so you know, this video is not video game noises. Video game in the game. Haha, I'll kill you. I'm an eldritch god. Nuh-uh. What do you mean, you idiot? Bonk. Yeah. Oh my goodness, boss fight. Oh nosy wosy, just a real boss fight. Bink. That's it. I'm gonna become 99999 degrees hot, and I'll destroy you. I'm the sun, yuck. Another one? That one looks robotic. Slumber beam. Wait, wrong button. Ducks. Just making sure. Thank God. Anyways. You missed, idiot. Bonk. Yum. It's another one. Yum, 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 yum. Who should the Battle Cat fight next? Just answer in the comments. I don't know, man.